I cannot give MCR a great review because although this looks better from before, there are some things that I am very concerned about. This is an issue that we addressed, that's fine. And this is before, this is after.
A gap between
But
the doors.
these doors
It's
were
about
not
half an
even,
inch.
as you can see.
About 3/4 of an inch. And then at the end, this is 1 inch.
Then we had issues with the drawers.
The drawer was not attached. The screws are coming through here. This is hard to pull. The screws are coming through here. This one doesn't close. Barely.
If the drawers issue is resolved satisfactorily, I will increase my rating. But right now, the most I think I can give this review would be 3 out of 5.